Pagalum Tagati is busy taking bribes from Pakistan, Bangladesh, spaza shop owners in KwaZulu-Natal. So basically what happened was a couple of days ago, Pagalum Tagati was closing all the shops of Pakistan and Bangladesh spaza shop owners, making sure that only South Africans are trading in those spaza shops. But yesterday, he was telling those same people that they must open up their shops, but they must pay him money so that supposedly he will give the money to some kids around the area who have lost their parents. Giving that reason, he also took their IDs, saying that he will take the IDs to Pretoria for them to get checked. So basically, this is extortion. Extortion. So, like, he's making them pay protection fee. This is illegal, right? Like, isn't this illegal? You can't just tell people that no, they can't open their shops or they must close their shops. If they want to open, they must pay you a certain amount of money. He should be getting arrested, this guy. But the person that I've seen is that since he's xenophobic and most probably some of the cops in KwaZulu-Natal are also xenophobic, I doubt this guy will get arrested. He'll still be walking around the streets even after this blatant crime that was captured on camera happened. Like, where's the law at this point?
Have you produced a business person in this country? No, you haven't. So that's why we are coming. We see the government has wasted our time. That's why we are taking this thing. Because the government has wasted our time. They have chosen you guys over us. So we are saying, yeah, they did. They did. We know. That's why you have people. No, when we come. No, let me tell you. I'm telling you. That's fine.
And as many of us have been saying for the longest time, ever since this whole thing happened, the March and March, Pagalum Tagati, we've been saying this thing is about money, guys. Like, yeah, they might be fighting for illegal immigration and all of that, but at the end of the day, they want to eat, they want money, you know, that kind of thing. It's like the same thing as Operation Dudula. At some point, there were rumors that they were taking money from Pakistan and Somali spaza shops. Now I know that for sure that was happening. So if Pagalum Tagati is doing this, it means every time there's something that's happening, he'll just go to the spaza shop owners and tell them, hey guys, you see there's tension around, so just give me money, I'll make sure that you are protected and nothing happens to you. Yeah, extortion, straight up, it's a straight crime. But yeah, these guys are just let go to do all of this vigilante and crimes. I don't know what's going on.